And now I'm going to proceed to explain about the CD-ROMs and hard drives. In this step is shared common between the two of them. Both of them use the same cable. You'll notice I have two kinds of cables right here. This one is the exact same as this one, except this one is more expensive, is thinner, is made for airflow. But they both do essentially the same thing. But now we need to identify which end of this cable goes to the drives and which end goes to the actual motherboard. So when you look at your cable, you'll notice you got three black connectors on this one. The black connectors are the ones that actually, well, connect. So you got two connectors that are really close together, not much space, maybe just about 5-6 inches. These ones are the ones that go to the drives themselves. Then you'll notice that from the second connector to the third one, there's a long gap. That means this one is the one that goes to the motherboard. This one's the one you want to connect. You don't want to get this on backwards and connect this one to the CD-ROM drive and then this one to the other one. It'll just make a mess. Do it like it's supposed to. These ones go to the drives.